Hi there, Sandra here from Creative Spain. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be doing a nice simple card, but it's effective. Right, the first thing I need to do, and I have my laminating machine to my right heating up at the moment. I have a piece of parchment paper. This is just carrier sheet with a lamination, that's all. I have a scrap piece of laminating pouch. Now, it is one-sided, so I am folding it in half. And I have numerous little things that I want to put in here. I've got some gold stars. Now, when you're doing this, it pays to use flat things. So you can use sequins if they are flat ones. Using cupped ones doesn't work quite as well. Now I have some of this stuff which is, I'm sure it's just a junk product from something else that is manufactured, but it's very, very pretty. It's like an iridescent cellophane. Okay, I think that will do the trick. This is going to be folded in half. Fold this over. Get rid of those bits on the end, and very, very carefully, still getting bits everywhere, feed it through my laminating machine. It doesn't like this, it doesn't grip very well. I will use a standard piece of A4 paper instead. Now, as I was saying before I realised that wasn't feeding through properly, you need to make sure that your laminating machine is quite hot to do this. So this is what we end up with. We end up with a laminated plastic with nice sparkly bits in it, which is going to be used as part of my card. This little penguin, it's an image from Pixabay, and I cut two, one blank and one printed. I used shortcuts a lot, and I just set the line to a black line to print rather than to cut it. So I was able just to scan it into my machine and do a direct cut. That's going to make him a little more durable. I want to do a little bit of colouring. I'm going to give my penguin a gold bow tie rather than a blue one. And I've got a plain sparkle pen here. It doesn't have any colour to it, it just makes things sparkly. What I want to put on his hat there. And I think I'll put some gold on that candle as well. There we go. I have a standard card base, just a front panel. And I've got this cut down to a size that is more manageable. I have the lower portion of my card cut, and this is going to go behind there. Goes and up there, I think is fine. So I now have another piece to go over the top of this. This one I am going to have to put a thin layer of tape around the edge of this. This isn't going to show, the extra won't show, because I've got an insert to go in there as well. There we are. And then the black piece is going to go inside. Here's the finished card. I have completed it with just a few gold dots, the same pen that I used for the Let's Celebrate, which was written with my scan and cut. So there we go, a very cute, very easy, but rather pretty card, suitable for a lot of different occasions. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again soon. Take care now.